I think I want to start by giving a background. On 25th, we brought our documents for 24 counties. They took 6 hours going through those documents. They only accepted our documents close to midnight. And they gave us a receipt that they have received, and they specified 24 booklets for 24 counties. We also gave them the electronic version for the same. And they also signed that they received. Since then, they have kept quiet throughout. They've been engaging other contestants. Akina Kalonzo Musyoka, telling them, you have not done light here, come and do light. You have done light. You have not done something light here, come and do it light. The last communication which we got from them was on 28th, because from 29th, that is when they were supposed to start receiving now the other papers from contestants.
Kulikuwa na sababu yoyote?
Let me finish. Don't hurry me out. Don't hurry me out. At night, they called. Wanted to know the date when I need to bring my papers. We gave them the date of that. Yesterday, when they released the schedule, my name was missing. I came here, I spent the whole day. Chebukati refused to see me. They have not done any communication. Now they are thinking about an after communication, which they can do to sanitize their process. Someone came privately and told me, your documents were less. I told him, but this is not a matter of oral conversation. You signed my documents. From there, they went to your custody. These documents are not tamper-proof. So the electronic version is not tamper-proof, and the other one. So you can do with whatever you want to do with the documents. So if you want to sell the documents, and I hear they are selling the documents at 50 shillings. So you bring documents, then clerks down there are selling those documents to non-compliant candidates, because they are the only custodians. We don't know where they are keeping the documents. Some of them are even being kept at home. So I now want to face them legally. Next thing is, they're even telling us here that they are checking for signatures. When we ask them, do you have copies, signatures for all Kenyans, so that you can counter check this against, we don't have.